Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by entering coefficients. Press the quadratic or polynomial solver mode now. Once you see prompts for a, b, c, type the numeric value for a and confirm. This establishes the leading term which controls parabola width. Then enter b. This shifts the axis, so accuracy matters. Finally, enter c. That is the constant, moving the graph vertically. While entering numbers, make sure the sign key is used for negative values. This avoids reversed results and saves time later. Once done entering coefficients, run the solver, press solve or the equals key. The calculator returns root 1 and root 2. You should also compute or view the discriminant, delta equals b2 minus 4 ac. This tells you why results look that way. If delta 0, you get 2 distinct real roots. If delta equals 0, you get 1 repeated root. If delta 0, the calculator shows complex conjugates. Make sure to note formatting. Decimals versus fractions are selectable for cleaner presentation. To finish, change the output format if you prefer fractions or decimals. Many calculators have a toggle for that, so make your choice. Then verify by substituting each root into the original equation to confirm you get 0. This checks entry and rounding errors. If results look wrong, clear memory and re-enter A, B, C carefully, checking negative signs and decimal points. Doing this fixes most issues quickly and prevents carrying a single typo into later steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.